Okay. So almost good afternoon everyone, but actually good morning, and thank you for being here. Thank you. I really want to thank Growth Sellers for organizing such an amazing, not amazing, but such a lovely and beautiful afternoon. Because see, it's so beautiful. Drivers of the economy are here, creative thinkers are here, critical thinkers are here, and beautiful souls are here. And beautiful company Growth Sellers that focuses on developing the beauty in a human being is here, and a beautiful MC. Everybody has indicated that. So it's an honor to be here today. And talking about our nimble, how long we live. Okay, that's how I was not supposed to start. One of my friends told me that, come on, go to a stage and give them a very long smile. Very long smile. I don't know how he actually planned that, but it was very awkward for me back then because I went to the washroom and rehearsed it for a couple of times. It was, believe me, it was so awkward. Even I didn't like my own face. That's what something triggered Nimble. Because Nimble was not developed to develop something. Nimble was developed to develop the developers. Because we focus more on human resource than any other resources. There are resources, there are people, there are everyone. But the thing is that how long we are going to live, that actually triggered the urgency in us. Unfortunately, it's only 25,550. We don't live for forever. That's why let's not fight with each other. We never know when we're going to die, or we don't know. We may be going 50 steps this way or 50 steps that way. But Nimble had to find way, some way. And then we were so much concerned with following the passion and for pursuing what we really want out of our life. And we were not so much sure because who is sure? Even people, believe me, okay, if you be very honest, and even if you are in your 50s and you may not be sure what you actually want out of your life. It was the case with us as well. And then we started analyzing how the world operated. Everything had human beings. Everything had human beings. And as a young kid, we wanted to be successful, we wanted to be awesome, and we wanted to be vaguely super awesome. But we didn't know how we were going to be. And then we realized if we develop people, they are going to develop us. We need to contribute towards the job market, not only towards this resource or that resource. For that reason, we started the idea of human resource management, and we thought that something is not enough. Good enough is not good enough. Only best is good enough. That's why we went through rigorous analysis of the philosophy. So these are our philosophies. We wanted things to be simple because we know simplicity sells. Easy is always hard, and we wanted to make our interface very, very user-friendly. Not only that, flexibility was yet another aspect of our design because people change, nothing is permanent except change, and we need to cope up with all the changes. And after that, we were so much concerned about the reliability. We should deliver what we promise, not once, not twice, but every single time. Every single time, we should deliver what we promise. You know why? Because clients, they rely on us for their operation. So we cannot compromise with that. And support was one of the major concerns. But all in all, hire to retire was the primary focus because I know none of us are hungry. Maybe already all of us are angry with me, right? Because all of us are hungry, but we don't like to be fed halfway. We want complete thing. That's why Nimble strives a lot to producing a complete human resource management software. And after that, we realized that people should be people. People should not be a machine. Okay. For that reason, we thought menial jobs, not menial actually, regular jobs should be assigned to machines. And that is going to speed up the process. That's going to speed up the operation, and that's going to speed up everything. You know that better than I do because you actually design the process, design the practices, and we learn it from you and then implement it to you. So customization is at the very core of our heart. You don't have to wear anymore the clothes of your elder sibling. Like if you are not the eldest child in the family, you must have gone through this tragedy. Especially I have gone through this tragedy, and one of the brothers of my friend has gone through this tragedy. He said that, brother, until my brother went to USA, I never got even a single girlfriend. You know why? And I asked why. He said, because I always used to wear his clothes. Not impressive, always out of fashion, okay? And not so comfortable, not so confident. For that reason, we believe softwares must be for you, according to you, the way you want it. And just the thing you wanted, not something extra, not something less. So providing holistic solution to the client is one of our major concerns, not one of our major concerns. It's the only concern, and rest of the things they follow to pursue that. So this is our vision. Since we require human beings everywhere, HR for all. And since if we require HR for all, then let us take care of this HR management thing and let us automate this one so that we can be more productive, we can be more creative. Okay. Not only that, We have been serving the cause of human resource management since long, and looking at our history, you can find it in our leaflet as well. Okay, this is our contribution. We were tightly sponsored for two events, and similar events was held on 2017 as well, and we are now actually trying to organize more events like this to solve the cause of human resource management. And our vision was very simple: let a human being live like a human being. Because in our offices, the most unfortunate thing is that we are so much consumed by the things that we have to, but actually only when we can do the things that we want to, we will be happy. And being happy is mandatory. Not only now, it was mandatory. Throughout the history, success and happiness, they walk hand in hand. But something needed to glue all of them together. So this was something we really pondered upon while developing everything at Nimble. Because you may have amazing things, but you may not have equally amazing people. That is definitely going to deteriorate the overall productivity of your organization. For that reason, good people are really important. And nobody is good like that. Nobody is good. We need to develop. That's why these days we are so much focused on developing other products which are for learning, and this is our product timeline. So we started from payroll system in 2010. We had 5 customers, and today we are so proud, and thank you all Nimble's clients. So is there anyone from the Nimble? Anyone from Nimble's client list? Anyone, please? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for being. So give them a round of applause. And so I know it's because of you all of these were possible. You are very comfortable with modus operandi of our organization, because we don't sell products, we sell intellectual time. Like, we don't try to make something and sell it to you, but we go with you and make the things that you want. Our marketing stars, our Shiva sir and Bhushan sir, they are amazing problem solvers, and they go to your office, they talk with you, and they understand your demand, and they convey the idea to our development team. And those development staffs are very dedicated, and they are continuously in research. Not only that, we've got a very beautiful support team.